There's other stairs, but yeah, these stairs are sketchy. Fucking hot in this bitch. Well, me and Kyle were supposed to go cliff jumping, but cops came. All the fucking neighborhood watch was like, don't go in there. Call the cops if you do. So this place is right across the street. We're gonna check it out. Dude, look at this.
It's crazy.
This is like the craziest part. Whoever did this graffiti like did really well. Kyle's got that pink on, pink on. It's like really like the wind rattles everything.
This shit's crazy.
The strawberries. Be careful walking on this. Oh, shit. Heavy, I put both hands on the railing.
Oh my god, bro. That shit's sketchy. That shit was so sketchy.
It's sketchy.
This is fucking Jeepers Creepers, bro. What the fuck?
This place is spooky. You just gotta watch where you step. But look at these. Hear that? Sounds like there's something on the roof. Look inside these vats.
Somebody fell in there and got trapped and died.
I think they might have melted. Wanna go swimming? Oh, we can't go. We can't go swimming in that one. We can go swimming in this one over here if you want. Most of it's dried up. Like, look in this one. I don't think so. I think this is just like. Could be. Yeah, if you want to go swimming, you go swimming in this one.
That's fucking rancid,
It's definitely acid.
like smell and everything.
That's definitely acid.
Yeah, it's fucking
Disgusting.
spooky.
Oh, it's spooky, bro. I hope we're not walking through just asbestos. I don't think it is. Look up at the ceiling. It looks like it's the foam.
Yeah. That's where like asbestos like was used in like old like fucking I'm pretty sure like old fucking insulation material.
Yeah, hopefully not this. Look at this
think.
one. Look at this tank.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. Oh, this is-
Go up these stairs, but don't step on these two boards right here. So step on the plank. Last time I came here, I went up on top of that. You down?
On top of that.
Good. You go on this roof too. There's like a deck up there. You wanna go up here?
Yeah.
You wanna try it out? You leave your little water bottle. So when you get to the top, the deck's a little shaky, like when you first step off, but just step past that and the rest of the deck's good. Ladder's good too. Oh, it's scary. You got the SpongeBob and Patrick shoes
I
on.
fucking hate it so much, dude.
Are you scared? You don't want to do it. You don't want to do it, don't do it. But it'll be cool up there. Oh, and you can see the quarry from up there too.
Oh yeah, I'm good on that. That's so fucking spooky.
You bet. It is fine. Like me and my cousin went on last time. It was good. You can also see the quarry from that. If we climb that over there. The only thing about that is like that is a taller ladder, but it is safe.
I feel like I'd be like more inclined to do it. If I didn't feel actually like fucking doing dog shit today, I feel like I had bad luck or something.
He stayed up all night drinking.
Yeah.
He's got off work.
I had to.
You had to, bro. And then we had to go. We wanted to go cliff jumping, but fucking had a neighborhood watch out today, dude. It's fucked. Like we literally saw like 10 people going like, better not go in that quarry, just watching us. Call the cops. You go in that quarry.
Bro, I feel like let's say you had your GoPro on the whole time, you know. Like,
I could have recorded that.
Get that out film. You know?
I know. I always fuck up like that.
It's just like having it on all the time, you know, like a body cam type shit.
Always fuck up. So this is what my cousin stepped on last time, and look at this.
Yeah.
He stepped on this. It's just not even attached. Go this way and turn left.
Shit's cool.
Walk through this. Look in here. It's like a little laboratory.
Yeah.
Like, what were they making in here? Is this where they would like synthesize the acid or something? Let's see what's in this drawer. Some little vials or something. Go this way. This way is like kind of cool. I like how it's like green in here too. Isn't that like tint of green nice?
Yeah, it is.
Like usually abandoned building's not green, and it's just like it makes it feel more acidy too.
Yeah.
When you think of acid, you think green and like.
There's these like little like fucking things that like.
Yeah, the little shit shades. Look at that. There's a chair in there. Dude, some spooky noises. Some really spooky noises in here. I wonder, look at this over here. I wonder what this was. Like, I can't even imagine what this was used for. Kyle, get in. Attention delivers. Do not pull up past north end of building while waiting to load. Where's that door lead to? This looks like a cool picture.
A little like coop.
Go in there. Whoa. Make sure this door doesn't lock.
Oh my god.
Hold it. Oh, there may be a stairwell down over here. But they're missing at the bottom. This is a cool little spot. I think this is where the trucks probably came up.
Yeah.
You got delivery, and they would like send.
Loaded or whatever. There's
send,
probably pipes that like went all the way from the fucking back.
I saw this was a sulfuric acid factory, so maybe like they make it and they would deliver it. People would come in and pick it up.
Yeah.
It's also, it closed down in 2004, so this is old shit. You know what I mean? Okay. Coast is clear. It looks like spooky. Let's look under here and then let's dip.
Yeah, 10.
This looks spooky. Dude. Are you jump scared? There's a doorway out over here. Oh hell yeah. That's like, dude, that's such a cool like graffiti. It says like muerto on there. Muerto something.
I don't want to get back here.
No, me neither. It was dark and spooky back there. Go out this door. Okay, no one's up front. Good. Come this way. You want to go up on this? Come look at the ladder and see if you'll be down. You just go up this. I heard something.
Fuck that, dude. You have to, like,
Nah, it ain't tilted. Spooky. Walk up it, bro. It's safe.
No,
It's safe, maybe.
it's scary.
Oh, it's scary. Climb that ladder.
No,
Bro.
I don't want it.
It's like, it's just a ladder. It is scary, but I bet you if you climbed it, you'd be good. Like, you'd be like,
I'm just scared of like it's so rusty. Like, what if it's just like
ah.
today's the day, Kirk? You know,
Could be,
like,
yeah. You never know.
Like that's what scares me about like shit like this. It's like none of this shit's
Oh, hell yeah.
maintained.
No,
So
yeah.
it's like
I wanted to see.
shit like that board. Like let's say I was walking and I just fell through that whole ass board, bro.
Oh, you
like,
could.
Like does not look real.
Yeah, this place looks like if we were in like a video game at
Yeah,
like the end of the world.
Fucking Fallout or some shit.
Literally. I don't know. It is cool going to abandoned buildings. It gives you like a little like sense of like what the world would be like if it ended and everything was abandoned. All right, boys. This is a quick adventure, and that's all she wrote.